Zoltis Technology has done a great job of integrating all the different various systems and software that we have here going on at the same time at the company. And so their ability to integrate the technologies from the back end and front end support have really been instrumental in our being able to productively and efficiently work with our clients to be able to support them what they need, as long as we're able to run sufficiently productive and efficient on the back end as well. So they've done a good job of organizing all the various software, hardware, and the different systems that we operate all at the same time. I really want to thank Zoltis Technologies for all the help that they've provided our firm here at Michael Burgess & Associates. We really have a great time working with them on a day-to-day basis. Personally, as a case coordinator here at the office, we run into a lot of issues on a day-to-day basis as we're dealing with the phone conversations with our clients, dealing with computer, software, and customer service management. And so since we're getting so many calls and so many people calling in on a daily basis, we really need our operation systems to really work efficiently and productively. So when we run into an issue, the fact that we can just immediately call a phone number, call Zoltis Technologies, and within a couple of rings we have somebody to answer the phone, that honestly is an invaluable asset for our firm here, and we really thank them a lot for that, and I really recommend them for any other law firm or company that needs that sort of IT support. They're really a premier service in our industry.